Take your time to complete. I ain't wanna rock star. I can't be the one for you, but you let me wait here. I'm impatient, but I take it. I know you know that I won't be far. Let me fix your scars. Just one call. Oh my God, girl, I'd be down if you were there. Barely can hide away inside. You want that, baby? I can read your mind. So let me to give it a try. You want that, baby? I'm destined for life. You want me to stare into your eyes while I'm putting my two hands on your thighs. So let me to have you at a night. You want that, baby? I'm destined for life. You cannot tell me that you're innocent while all your clothes are falling off right now. Oh girl, your body tastes of cinnamon. Now you want me to turn you upside down. Baby, I finally know what it really feels like. Wow, tell me you want it just as much as me, baby. I won't be far. Let me fix your scars. Just one call. Oh my God, girl, I'd be down if you were there. Barely can hide away inside. You want that, baby? I can read your mind. So let me to give it a try. You want that, baby? I'm destined for life. You want me to stare into your eyes while I'm putting my two hands on your thighs. So let me to have you at a night. You want that, baby? I'm destined for life. Try to like what you feel. To try to push you my deal. Take your time to complete. I ain't wanna rock star. I can't be the one for you, but you let me wait here. I'm impatient, but I take it. I know you know that I won't be far. Let me fix your scars. Just one call. Oh my God, girl, I'd be down if you were there. Barely can hide away inside. You want that, baby? I can read your mind. So let me to give it a try. You want that, baby? I'm destined for life. You want me to stare into your eyes while I'm putting my two hands on your thighs. Let me to have you at a night. You want that, baby? I'm destined for life.
Whispers in the dead of night, eerie symbols on the walls, each grew more terrifying than the last. Suddenly, the truth unravels. A mysterious figure haunts the house. Their motives darker than you dare to imagine.
You cannot tell me that
Dare
you're
to uncover the chilling truth.
while all your clothes are falling off right now. Oh girl, your body tastes of cinnamon. Oh, you want me to turn you upside down? Baby, I finally know what it really feels like. Wow, tell me you want it just as much as me, baby. I won't be far. Let me fix your scars. Just one call. Oh my God, girl, I'd be down if you were there. Daddy can hide away inside. You want that, baby, I can read your mind. Let me to give it a try. You want that, baby, I'm destined for life. You want me to stare into your eyes while I'm putting my two hands on your thighs. Let me to have you at a night. You want that, baby, I'm destined for life. I'm down, I'm down. It's your God. I'm down, I'm down. Your God.
Ever felt eyes watching you in an empty room? An abandoned house hides secrets beyond imagination. Whispers in the dead of night, eerie symbols on the walls, each clue more terrifying than the last. Suddenly, the truth unravels. A mysterious figure haunts the house, their motives darker than you dare to imagine. Dare to uncover the chilling truth? Experience the fear. Enter if you dare. Discover the secrets now.